Hi, good morning. It's 6:15 a.m. today. 6:15 na tama. Nasaan siya? Yan. Today is Thursday. Maaga pasok ko ngayon. 8 a.m. So, Tuesday, Thursday, maaga pasok ko. So, bahay niya ako today. Kapasok tayo sa school. And then, gawa muna tayong baon ni Kayla. Ay, nakagawa na pala ako kagabi ng rice bowls para sa baon niya. So, pakita ko. So, ayan. May rice bowls na akong ginawa kagabi. Ito is tuna with Kewpie mayo and seaweed. Ready na ang baon ng batuta. Rice bowls, broccoli, Shanghai, tapos biscuits, tapos peras. Brush time! Hi! Hi! We are getting ready para pumasok na kasi it's 7:20 and as usual, naghahabol na naman ng oras ang mga person. Hi! We're going to school? Are you excited to go to school and play? Apo? Pupunta na kaming school. So, ida-drop namin ang batuta and then ida-drop ako ni Daddy sa C-train. Tapos magsi-C-train na lang ako. Papasok ng school. It's raining. It's raining po. It's a bad day today. Nahatid na namin ang batuta and then papunta na kami sa train station. At ang person ay late again. Tapos uuwi muna si Daddy sa bahay kasi mamaya pa siyang 10 pasok na. 10 a.m. pasok niya. Yan. So, bad weather, maulan. Okay. Andito na tayo sa train station. Grabe ang lakas ng ulan talaga. 7:47 na, 8 a.m. ang pasok ni ate girl. Okay. Carry lang. Okay. Girl, ang lakas ng ulan. Wala pang hood yung jacket ko. My goodness. Nasa train station na tayo. Whew. School na me. Time check is 8 a.m. So, umabot si ate mo, girl. So, 8 a.m. pasok natin. Gawa na tayo. Update you later. Hi! Done sa first class. Ay, 4 pa lang to. Sorry. Punta tayong cafeteria, makachika. Sino nanalo? Hi.
Ang tanong, may next class ka ba?
Ha? Third pa lang. Guys, update! Nasa superstore na kami, very quick. Ano lang naman, carrots lang naman bibilhin ko for today's video. Kasi, kala namin may carrots pa kami, magsusopas ako. Saan yung carrots? Ay, ayun. Ito, ay, hindi nga pala. So, carrots lang bibilhin ko today. Kasi gusto ko magsopas at maulan. Okay. Ito. Okay na to. Siguro mag-stock ako ng isa pa. Hi guys, nasa bahay na ako, real quick. So hanggang 11:30 lang yung pasok ko today. Dapat meron pang pasok from 11:30 to 12:20. So normally ang pasok, ang per subject is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So nasa bahay namin ngayon, it's 1:45 and nagluluto na ako ng dinner namin kasi may pasok ako later sa work ng 5 p.m. Pero ano naman siya, work from home naman ako. So, kailangan kong mailuto na yung dinner and then masundo yung batuta ng 4 o'clock and dapat mapaliguan ko na siya ng before 5. And nakakapag-snack pa dapat siya before mga 4:30 para pag umupo ako doon is busog siya. Kasi alam niyo naman, laging gutom yung batuta. And kasi ang dating pa ni Michael, ang dating pa ng asawa ko is 11. Ang dating pa niya is 6:40 to 7 p.m. Ang labas kasi niya around 6:30 p.m. So, nagdadrive naman siya from work to here. So, mabilis lang naman, malapit lang yung work na dito. And pagdating niya, siya na magpapakain sa batuta. So, that's how our life. Ikot-ikot lang. But we're happy because, alam mo yun, magkakasama na kami. Unlike dati nung nasa Singapore, dalawa lang kami, tas yung batuta is nasa Pilipinas. So, it's quite sad. And, yeah. Lutuin ko muna to. And then, later, samahan niyo ako magsundo sa batuta.
Hi, that's the idea.
What?
We start the walk. This is such a channel. You can watch my videos.
Watch our videos?
Yes,
Ano ginawa mo sa school?
do it.
Ano ginawa mo? What did you do in school?
I say it as I sing.
What else? Ano oras na ba? Parang 3:40, 45. Sundo ko ng batuta. And what do you like for snack? What do you like for snack?
Banka.
Panda? Okay. Did you finish your lunch?
Yes,
Yes. You like them?
yes,
You like the rice balls?
yes.
Yes. You like muddy puddle? Oops. Oh, halika na. Come on. Muddy puddle. Let's go.
Footprints. Is fine. Here I stay. Here I stay. It's always at the highway.
Guys, nasa bahay na kami. And look, anong ginagawa ng bata?
I'm eating pancakes.
Is this pancake?
Oh, I mean waffle.
You're hungry?
Yes.
Okay, 2 minutes kakadating lang namin. And she said she is
Hungry.
hungry again. Yummy?
Yes.
Oh, you say bye-bye na. This is the end of our vlog for today.
Again. But for today, if you want to watch our videos, you have to find our channel. If you like to watch subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye-bye. Where's your
Bye-bye.
heart?